We're going to be talking about fuel injectors on this Civic Si. This is a 2017 L15B7 engine. The reason why I'm talking about them today is because a lot of people have been having issues with misfire, especially on cylinder 2, and people have been chasing the issue, either changing coil packs around or changing out their spark plugs and not having their issue resolved. For me, it turned out to be fuel injectors because they were dirty. So my symptoms and issues with my engine I had was sputtering, check engine light code P0302, and I had my car go into limp mode a few times until I could actually find the issue. So I started chasing the issue around, like I said earlier, changed my coil packs around, got new spark plugs, nothing changed. Got a fuel cleaner, cleaned the fuel, everything. I did everything before I had to remove the injectors, and right after that, she was brand new. If you guys are wondering what the part number for the injectors are, it's right here.